guys, it's Riri and welcome back to my channel.
You're so obsessed with yourself. Maybe you should undress with yourself. Hey, I get a table for two.
Alrighty, there we go. So it is the first tutorial of 2019. Happy New Year, you guys. So before I get into anything, I filmed a video before this and it's currently 10 a.m. I started filming at 9 a.m. Complete fail. Beautiful, first makeup tutorial of 2019 became a fail. I was trying to do a blue cut crease with some glitter, you know, to go all, but it just went all downfall. So I decided to take off my makeup and start from scratch and do something much more simple. So I'm really debating on what I want to do. I have two palettes. I have the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour palette in the shade Plum, all neutral fall colors, and then I have this one. This is the Smashbox Cover Shot Metallic Eye Palette, and this is like all metallics and this is all the colors. So I'm gonna open each one and I'm gonna see what I feel like I'm doing because I feel very inspired. So this one is the Shade and Light. This is by Kat Von D. This is how it looks like. I have the Smashbox one. So they're all metallics. There's a blue one which is this one right here. I really want to use. So I think I want to use both and see how it goes. Oh, I already did my brows off camera. I concealed and I sculpted. I used the Burn This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. This is my favorite thing ever. I already used it and I set my eyes with Laura Mercier translucent powder. And we're gonna go in with this baby. I wanted to do a review, but I'm like, might as well just do a tutorial because why not? Alrighty, so I'm going in with the palette. I'm going in with the Kat Von D one, and I'm gonna take this color. This is actually the base. It's this one, and I'm taking it on a Luxie Defined Crease by Zoeva. This is a 224, and I'm just gonna pick up this color and just apply it all over my lid, just like as a wash of color, since I already set with Laura Mercier translucent. Alright, so after applying it, I'm taking it on another fluffier brush and I'm just going to start by applying it on my crease as like a transition color. So that's what I'm doing. Just to start off, since this look is really simple and since it's like winter, it's for like a university day, a work day if you're brave enough. Damn, guys, this palette has a lot of fallout. So it kind of looks like this. I kind of like it. It's like a wash of colors. So as you can see, it really looks more browny, more than taupey on the eye. I want to take this color right here. This is like, it says a contour color. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that to a little bit to darken my crease a little bit. So don't want to go too crazy because I really want to work with the blue and something really like peachy and fun. And I'm going to do something really fun later on so you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I'm going to zoom in. The eyes kind of look very neutral and I really like it. Although I don't get it why it's not showing on camera. Let me just down it down. Oh, much better. Next, I'm going to be taking this white color, which is the highlight. Technically, I'm going to apply it all over my lid just to really brighten up because we added a lot of dimension. After doing that, this Smashbox palette is called Metallic Eyes that I decided to choose. I'm taking this color right here. It's called Let's Rage, and you guys, like, can we just have a moment? Look how beautiful this is. Brush. This is the Zoeva Luxie Smoky Shader in number 234, and I'm just gonna pick it up slowly, eyeing this look for a while. I haven't touched these palettes, by the way, guys. This is the first time I've touched these palettes, just because I wanted to do it on camera and I want to see like why not just do it on camera. So yeah, I'm taking it on a brush and I'm just gonna like pack it on very slowly. Can we just talk about it? Like, wow. Look at that. Small the pans. So I need to get a more better brush, I guess, like a tinier brush. I'm packing the color in my lid and then I'm gonna start blending. So it looks crazy, but I'm gonna go back in with that darker color and I'm gonna blend in my crease and blend in everything. Hey guys, this is how it looks like. I really love how it looks like from far. I mean, I know it doesn't show on camera, but there is purples mixed with the blue. It kind of looks like a smoky eye, but it's not really a smoky eye. But yeah, I'm gonna amp it up with a little bit of blue. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to use. Usually I wanted the color to be more icy. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I'm taking the color Blue Moon right here. This is such a pretty color. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid because I kind of want it to be more icy than smokies. Baby, I'ma get you off and then I gotta get right back up on the plane. I just touched down in LA. Hollywood. So once that's done, taking a makeup wipe and wiping away all this fallout. This is why I do my foundation last. Literally, like, I do it last. Like, no joke. Alright, you guys, so I already did my mascara off camera. You guys know what's my mascara. It's always the same. Benefit They're Real and the Roller Lash. These two are my holy grails. I would never, you know, change it. That's why I didn't do it on camera, because you guys know. Lashes, I'm using these lashes. I got these from Global Village, if you guys can believe it. It's from Lash UAE. I will put their Instagram down below so you guys want to check it out, or maybe, I don't know, even for all my ladies who live in the UAE, I got these lashes from Lash UAE. Using these are the style. Let me just open it. Jeffree Star Mirror. Hi. So this is how it looks like. They are in the style A18, so if you guys are wondering what it is, it's in the style A18. Alright, lashes are on. Look how beautiful my eye looks. But anyway, now, I have changed the way I do my face makeup technically, so I'm going to start by priming my face. So I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer with the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in Euphoric Gold, and I'm gonna mix these both together. Color is, I don't know, it's this like peachy color, and I'm gonna buff it in with the Silk Finish by Zoeva by 102. I'm gonna put it all over my skin. That's how I love to start priming my skin, even though I have oily skin, but it's fine. I'm gonna dot it all over my face. And I'm going with the brush, and I bought this recently, this cute amazing plate, and I'm just going to apply all over my face just because it gives me more of a luminous finish, so that's what I'm kind of going for. I always like to do it under my neck as well, my eyes, my nose, my forehead, everywhere. Because guys, I'm gonna show you my new trick. So after looking like a freaking disco ball, I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline red concealer, and this is a color correcting. I'm gonna start applying under my eyes and around my mustache area where I like to color correct. So this is how I like to do it. I just go dot 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 dot, and I'm taking a concealer buffer, and I'm just going to really buff this in under my eye because your girl has not been sleeping. Literally, it's 11 a.m. and I've been awake since yesterday, since 5:30, so love that, love that, love that, love that. So after blending, I looked cray, but I'm going, oh my god, I was gonna drop my Jeffree Star mirror, and I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready to drop my mirror, or I could have died. So Jeffree, see, I protect my mirror. Anyway, I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. This is in the shade 350. This is my Pro Filter. I'm loving this foundation mix with the concoction I just did on my face. So I'm gonna apply it. So I'm just gonna pump it on my lovely plate, on like so, like 1, 2, look at that, 1 pump and a half, I guess. I know a lot of people like to dot their foundation, but I'm taking a foundation essentials brush from Real Techniques, and what I like to do is I like to draw it like this on my face, so this way I know that this is enough foundation for my face on both sides. So I just do that on every side of my face. Here on my neck. You guys, this foundation is gonna look amazing. Just wait for it. So I just do this everywhere. My forehead, everywhere, and I'm gonna directly blend with my beauty blender.
Got a Jeep though. Got in the passenger seat though. Yeah. I just touched down in LA.
So after blending, you guys, look, honestly, look how healthy and dewy my skin looks like I'm not joking. Next, obviously, Too Faced concealer. This is my favorite one. So how I like to apply it is like this. I like to apply it like this, straight up full coverage, and drag down the excess product. So that's how I'm doing it. So y'all gonna see in a minute. Now, I don't know if you guys saw the review on my channel on this concealer, but this is my favorite. I love this concealer. It's one of the best concealers I've ever tried. Now, I cannot say that it's like, you know, I don't know. I just love it. So, see, it just blends beautifully with my skin. So I'm just gonna do all of that. Oh, you see how beautiful my skin looks. Don't fight me on this. Like, come on. Come on, Too Faced. Come through. Look at that, look at that. Dewy skin all the way. Now I'm gonna set my under eye with Laura Mercier translucent powder, because obviously with a dry beauty blender it's right there and I'm too lazy to get up and have to get it. But yeah, I'm gonna set my under eye and I'm gonna be using my Sephora powder, which is the one I always use in every single video.
I've been buzzing by the way. Smoking, switch it to the face. Sipping liquor by the case. If you need it, I can get it for you. Got it right around the way.
Look at how my skin looks like. That did not make any sense. But anyway, moving on, I'm gonna be taking my Kiko bronzer. Looks like this. I'm gonna be taking my I'm gonna be taking my huge fluffy brush. I'm gonna just dip into that product. Warm up my face. Because we're gonna be snatching. And this bronzer that I'm using is my Kiko Milano bronzer in Technical Honey #1. It's my favorite since I ran out of my Too Faced. So bronzing up the skin. So after bronzing up, I'm gonna contour. So obviously, guys, before I do anything, I'm gonna be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. But before that, I bought her Shade and Light palette, Shade and Light brush actually, and come on, it came with a case. This woman is bougie AF, like moment. So I could bury myself in this. But anyway, I'm gonna be taking her brush and I'm gonna be picking up Shadow Play and Sombre. I'm going to be picking up these two colors right here on this lovely this and start contouring.
You and me, time is right. We don't go for the night. Passenger seat on the Jeep. Ain't no show for the night. I just touched down in LA.
The brush, and I'm going to be taking this color in the center. This is a yellow shade. This is in the shade Lyric, and I'm just going to take it down like on the fluffier brush. Do this under my eyes. Now you can see that it freaking brightens my under eye, and I love, like, look at the difference. Hello, good morning. Good morning, hi, how are you? Jeffree Star references, I mean, come on. I just apply that everywhere where I've contoured, and look at that instant wake up, like, good morning. So yeah, okay, so we snatched our face, we've snatched our contour, but you guys are not gonna believe what I'm gonna apply next. Guess what? I'm gonna apply blush. You guys, I have never worn blush. I hate blush. You guys know this. I've never applied blush in my videos and my tutorials. I just hate it. I don't know why. I just never found the right color. But this one is from MAC. This is a powder blush. This is a matte. It's called Mocha. And I love the color of it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna apply it with a contour brush from Real Techniques. Now, honestly, 2019 is for changes, so why not? Like, look at right now, this is the before, right? Watch for the after.
Got it right around the way. I'ma get you what you came for. You don't need another name, no. You can slide through my place.
Okay, so this is how my eyes look like. So there we go. We got the contour on, we got the blush on. I just finished off my under eyes, the same colors I use on my eyes, and I used some bottom mascara. Now we're moving on to my favorite part, so I'm gonna get closer. This is my favorite part, highlighter. So I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Uranus Skin Frost X Many MUA collab, and we're going to frost. Here, your girl has to go crazy with the highlighter, and I just love how my skin looks when there is highlighter on. Like, can we just have a moment, please? Thank you. I want to do something really fun. I was inspired by Riribeauty. I hope I said her name right. I'm going to be taking a little bit of stars. See in a second, like, I'm not freaking tripping. So, like so. And the corners need to be popped. But not least, but guys, look, just check this out. Like, isn't this so pretty? Like, oh my god, I'm freaking out. Last step is going to be my lips, and I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Daddy Liquid Lipstick. Really pretty. Last step. Now you guys can leave it the way you guys want it, but your girl has been falling in love with gloss. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild gloss in the color Sweet Glaze, and this is just a clear gloss. It looks red in the bottle, but it's really clear. So let me do that and apply. Say that usually glosses are sticky. This is not even close to sticky. Like, it's a perfect gloss that I love. So, like, give me gloss any day, I'll just finish. Like, I'm so different. I never used to wear gloss, never used to wear blush. Like, I'm a whole new person. Guys, it's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is something that is so different and it's out of my comfort zone, but I love how it turned out. Something different for 2019. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos because I want to start uploading more. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. See you next video. Bye.
Oh, you can slide through my place. Oh yeah. Hollywood. K-Town, baby, lay down. I just touched down in LA. Still popping by the way. Get you on it right away. Baby, I'ma get you off and then I gotta get